What does ice, whiskey, Jeremy Sires, and soap have in common? You're gonna find out in a little bit.
Teakey, 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 teakey.
We're gonna be making some clear ice. That was one of Jeremy's videos. It's gonna go with the whiskey, and we're gonna use that tomorrow night. We need 24 hours. I bought some filtered water. He suggested it. He says his Florida water is a little iffy. You want good water if you're gonna be drinking whiskey. You know, I can make tons of ice cubes with $1 worth. Why would you buy like a bottle of whiskey that's multiple amounts of dollars and then sour it with bad water? You'll be able to use your fridge water if you got one of those filters. Or I know we have like a hard small cooler. I couldn't find it. It could be up in the storage. I don't know why my chickens are going nuts right now. I'm gonna make it in this cooler right here. So basically what you want to do to make clear ice is, I think the cooler has is a trick to it. It just makes the ice freeze slower. This is like a soft cooler, so hopefully it'll work. We will find out in like real quick, because you don't have to wait 24 hours like I do. And also, you don't want to trap air in it. Air is the cloudy part. So Jeremy's idea, this is like taking his awesome million view video and condensing it really quickly. But you go 24 hours, and if it was a really good cooler, all of it won't freeze towards the bottom. It's kind of where it's pushing the air down. So you stop it, you leave a little bit of water jiggling at the bottom, you just grab your block of ice. You do have to cut it up. I'll show you that tomorrow, because that's going to be fun. And then you got clear ice. And I really don't care if I had clear ice. I just think it's fun to make some clear ice based off watching a video. Yeah, you know, yeah. So, I clean this out a little bit, you know, because we throw like cans and stuff in there. You don't want to drink that. So, I think I want my ice to be about that thick. Plus you need to leave a little bit extra. That's just going to be like burner water. I don't think this isn't going to be big enough. This cooler is like too big. I don't even think I'm going to get this cooler in my fridge. That might work. I don't know. I could add some extra water to it. Oh, sorry. That might work. I don't know. But we will see. All right, guys. It's going in the fridge. We'll check out to see if it can even fit in the fridge. See you downstairs. Oldie. Is it going to fit currently? No. Look at all this food we never eat. All right. That was super easy. It fits. And yeah, close the top up. I think slow is better. You know, picking this thing up and bringing it up, it felt very solid. So hopefully there's a little bit of water, because that's the trick. So better safe than sorry. This might not work. Oh well, we tried. We can always just put in regular ice. Guys, you get to look with me. Oh, well, that's very clear. Actually looks like it's, whoa. It looked clear to the point where it didn't even look done. Like it looked like it's only like a, you know, when it's only a little bit frozen in a lake. This might have worked. You know what? Maybe it went all the way down. It's weird you can see the bottom like that. Okay, I was about to dump it. Look how you can see like a bubbles there. I don't know what that means. I don't think this thing got frozen. I think maybe some of it got frozen, but not all of it. Yeah, I can see water. Huh, I should have watched that video better. Maybe he doesn't put the lid on or something. I don't know. Like, we want food. We are hungry. So, 24 hours, it was still watery. It's pretty darn windy out here, guys. And chickens are crazy. And so I forgot about it anyways. Went the whole night, and then I'm like, whatever. Went the whole day, and so it's it froze like that. And it's even like, you can tell it like bowed the plastic out. So fail. But maybe we'll just try to get this anyways. And some of this just melted and kind of dripped onto that. But a big chunk of ice will still look cool. Just clear ice looks way more cooler. Like a shiny diamond. It actually, I pounded it, it came out. It's got a nice little bow up here. And actually I don't need much. There is some clear stuff on the edge. Most of it's not clear. So I only need a little chunk. See if I can. It wasn't easy. I scored it with a bread knife, and then I just kind of popped it a few times with the point of a knife, and it chipped every time. So whatever. Save the rest for later. I'll just smash it with something or other. Actually, it's not bad. You just get it a little bit. I feel like yeah, you know, it's like sort of clear, but then there's the top that's not clear. You know, still look sweet as being not clear, but a giant piece. I'm gonna get points for giant piece.